Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Maybank Singapore on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Maybank app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Maybank app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the Maybank welcome screen. For your security, always ensure you are logging from a safe and private environment. Step 3. Enter your username. Next tap on the login file and enter your Maybank username. This is the username you created when registering for Maybank online banking. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Now enter your password. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly. Step 5. Secure verification. For added protection, Maybank may request extra verification such as a one-time password, also known as an OTP. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. And that's how you can log in into Maybank Singapore on an iPhone. Now you can check your amount, transfer funds, pay bills or manage your banking using the Maybank app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.